Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Kawasaki VULCAN 2000 Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 18,073 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. It should be noted in New Hampshire this bike would fail for the exhaust being over the decibel limit, but in New York this is not an issue. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The left side cover is missing, and there are paint chips on the left side of the swing arm. This bike has one key and has been upgraded with a Cobra tuner, LED rear turn signals, an aftermarket exhaust, grips, braided cables, 10-inch handlebars, passing lamps, and Mustang seats. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.